Now type number 5, type number 5, effect of divisible by t, effect of divisible by t. Statement of this theorem, if Laplace of f of t, answer f of s, then Laplace of f of t, Laplace of f of t, f of s, what is effect of 1 by t, here integral s to infinity ds with respect to s, effect of 1 by t, integral s to infinity. Now we need some integration formulae. Integration of 1 by s square plus a square ds, answer tan inverse s by a into 1 by a, tan inverse infinity pi by 2, pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is equal to cot inverse s, is equal to cot inverse s. Second, here integration of f dash s by f of s ds, answer log of f of s, answer log f of s. Okay, for example, here f of s is plus minus a square, f of s is s square plus minus a square, derivative of denominator lies in numerator, s square derivative 2s. Okay, the answer is log of denominator plus हो या minus, these two take common and transfer here. So this is integration of s upon s square plus a square, 1 by s ds log s, 1 by s plus minus a ds, f of s is s plus minus a, derivative of s plus minus a is 1. So log of s plus minus a. Next note, log infinity, here log 1 0, log e 1, log 0 minus infinity, and log infinity here plus infinity, and hence log f of s divided by g of s, s to infinity, answer just interchange numerator and denominator. This formula valid only in this article. Okay, this formula valid only in this article. Here condition is the degree of variable in numerator denominator must be same. That time only we can write as like, but this formula, shortcut formula, only valid in this type only, valid in this type only. Okay, find Laplace of 1 by t sin 4t. Next, Laplace of sin cube 5t 7t divided by t. Next, Laplace of cos 5t sin 2t divided by t e raised to minus 2t. Next, Laplace of sin 4t cos 3t divided by t e raised to 3t. Fifth, Laplace of 3 sin 2t plus 4 sin 3t divided by t e raised to 2t. Okay, this 5 example goes on formula. Here note, derivative, not derivative, integration of 1 by s square plus a square ds. Answer 1 by a tan inverse s by a. Tan inverse infinity pi by 2. 90 minus tan inverse s is equal to cot inverse s. Okay, cot inverse s. Take first example. Here 1 by t theorem, just effect of 1 by t. Except 1 by t, remaining you take function f of t and find Laplace. Laplace of sin 4t, answer 4 divided by s square plus 4 square by formula Laplace of sin 80 a by s square plus a square. A by s square plus a square. Okay, now effect of, यानी कि what is effect of 1 by t? Effect of 1 by t, here integral s to infinity and ds. Here sin 4t, answer 4 divided by s square plus 16. Now by same formula, here tan inverse, here 4 constant outside, s to infinity s square plus 16 ds. This example goes under this formula. Answer 1 by a tan inverse s by a. A is the root of this number. Here 16 root is 4. So here 4 tan inverse s by 4, 1 by 4, and the limit of integration, right here 4 cancel. Tan inverse infinity by 4 minus tan inverse, replace s by s, to s by 4. Tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by 4. But tan inverse infinity pi by 2 minus tan 90 minus tan inverse 90 minus tan inverse cot inverse s by 4. This is Laplace of t sin 4t. Example number 1. Example number 1. Laplace of here sin cube 70 1 by 4 sin minus sin here 70 and outside 3 inside 3 by 4 sin 70 1 by 4 sin 21t. Take Laplace sin cube 70 here 3 by 4 Laplace of sin 70 minus 1 by 4 sin 21t. Answer 3 by 4 7 divided by s square plus 7 square 1 by 4 21 divided by s square plus 21 square. Okay, now multiply 21 by 4 here 1 by s square plus 49. Okay, here minus 21 by 4 1 by s square plus 441 21 square. Now 1 by t effect here 3 by 4 integral s to infinity s square plus here 21 by 4 s square plus 49 ds 21 by 4 s to infinity 1 by s square plus 441 ds. Now integrate. So this is Laplace of sin cube 70 here 21 by 4. This answer is tan inverse s by 7 1 by 7. 21 by 4 answer tan inverse s by 21 1 by 21. Okay, now s to infinity this cancel 3 to 3 by 4 tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by 7 1 by 4 tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by 21. Okay, here Laplace of sin raised to 370 by t. Answer 3 by 4 90 minus tan inverse s by 7 plus minus 90 minus tan inverse s by 21. 90 minus tan inverse is cot inverse and final answer 3 by 4 cot inverse s by 7. Okay, minus 1 by 4 cot inverse s by 21 is Laplace of sin cube 70 by t. Laplace of sin cube 7. Now next example number 3rd. Here Laplace of cos 5t sin 2t is equal to Laplace of 1 by 2 second sign middle minus both are different sin both are different sin addition 70 and difference 3t. By formula So cos A sin B common half, second sign middle minus, both are different, sin addition and difference. So here 1 by 2 Laplace of sin 70, 1 by 2 Laplace of sin 3t. By formula, here 7 divided by s square plus 7 square and 3 divided by s square plus 3 square, because Laplace of sin 80 answer a divided by s square plus a square. Now Laplace of 1 by t cos 5t sin 2t. Here 7 by 2 integral s to infinity s square plus 49 minus 3 by 2 integral s to infinity s square plus 9 ds. By this formula, 7 by 2 1 by 7 tan inverse s by 7, 3 by 2 here tan inverse s by 3, 1 by 3, but limit s to infinity. So here 7 7 cancel, 3 3 cancel, half, then tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by 7 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by 3, 90 minus tan inverse cot inverse s by 7, 1 by 2 cot inverse s by 3. Okay, and now this extra term is here, e raised to minus 2t by shifting theorem. Okay, by first shifting theorem, Laplace of cos 5t sin 2t by t into e raised to 2t minus become plus. So here by shifting theorem, replace s by s minus 2 by 7 minus half cot inverse s minus 2 by 3 is required Laplace. Now this is homework, this also homework. He already here numerator given as like, okay, as like, just take separate and find Laplace. Here apply cos A sin B, sin A cos B. Here cos A sin B, so here apply sin A cos B, sin A cos B. Here sin A cos B, formula common half, middle second cos plus different है तो sin a plus b, a minus b. Apply here formula and then find. He already given. So this is Laplace transformation by effect of one. Next example, find Laplace transform of, example here sin square 4t by t, sin square 4t by t, sin 5t sin 2t by t by t. Next here cos at minus cos bt divided by t. e raised to at minus e raised to bt divided by t. Suppose you have taken a is 0, this become 1, and cos 2t divided by t. Suppose here a is 0, so 1 minus and b is 2, 2t divided by t. Suppose we can take e raised to 2t, e raised to minus t, and so on. Here note integration of s by s square plus minus a square ds. Answer 1 by 2 log of s square plus minus a square. Integration now log of f of s by g of s, s to infinity. Here log g of s by f of s, valid only in this article, valid only in this article. Take first example. Divide t theorem into e raised to at theorem, except these two. Now start Laplace from remaining function. Laplace of sin square 4t is equal to 1 by 2. Here sin square a, common half 1 minus 0, but this is not 0, आगे पीछे सी एस एंड डबल एंगल, यानी कि हाफ 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ डबल ऑफ दिस एंगल 4t डबल एंगल become cos 8t. Okay, and now take Laplace of this function. Okay, take Laplace, constant take outside. Now this is fifth example, similar, and hence this is homework. Okay, now sin square convert in this form. Okay, so we first find Laplace of this. This is only extra term. Now 1 by 2 Laplace of 1 minus cos 8t by formula Laplace of 1 by s, Laplace of cos 80 s divided by s square plus a square. Answer half 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus half is outside 8 square, यानी कि 64. Okay, so by these two formula we got Laplace. Now Laplace of sin square 4t divided by t, effect of 1 by t, effect of 1 by t, here half integral s to infinity 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 64 ds, half, this is log s, and minus by this formula half log of denominator, half log of denominator. Now 1 by 2 log s minus log of root of s square plus 64 s to infinity, because n log m is equal to log m raised to n. Here power raised to half matlab root, and then half log s divided by root of s square plus 64 s to infinity. By shortcut formula, the degree of numerator denominator same, here degree 1, here also degree 1, outside the root. Just write one line answer, यानी कि interchange numerator and denominator. This is direct answer. Okay, now this is 1 by t sin square 1 by t. Now take effect of e raised to 2t. Now Laplace of sine square 4t divided by t, and now into e raised to minus 2t. What we picked in answer? Half log of, whenever you get s, right there minus 2 to s plus 2. This is required Laplace of example number 1. Example number 1. Now second example, effect of here in divide t theorem, e raised to minus t theorem, and start Laplace sine 5t sine 2t is equal to, by formula sin A sin B is equal to common half, second sign middle minus, both are same, cos, otherwise sin. Addition A plus B, A minus B. In this example, middle sign important hai. We always need minus. Here minus. In this formula also, between 2 cos or 2e, we required middle sign minus. If there is plus, then log infinity, example become invalid, and hence no example related with middle sign plus. No example on cos A plus cos B. No example on e raised to A plus e raised to B. Similarly, this term you will get in cos, this term middle plus you will get in cos square. So no example on cos square, no example on cos cube, invalid example. No example on cos A cos B, and no example in 1 by t cos square, cos cube and cos A cos B type, because that example are invalid. Invalid example in 1 by t, this is not possible. Cos cube t also not possible, because in both formula middle sign will get plus, and no cos 5t cos 2t, because in cos divided by t. These three type of example invalid in 1 by in this Laplace transformation. Okay, so 1 by 2 Laplace of cos middle minus, but one more minus here, so minus half. Here addition 70 and minus, the difference is 3t. Okay, so minus half. Here Laplace s upon s square plus 49 plus half s upon s square plus 9. Now take half outside. Here Laplace of, so here same example, cos A minus cos B, instead of A here 7, instead of B here 3, and that's why this example also homework. Here A key value 0, e raised to 0 1 already homework given. So this also example homework. Okay. Here Laplace of sin 5t sin 2t divided by t, effect here minus, you take here half outside, s to infinity minus take inside, s square plus 9 minus s upon s square plus 49 ds. By formula integration of s divided by s square plus a square ds, answer half log of denominator, answer 1 by 2, यानी कि half log of s square plus 9 minus half log of s square plus 49 s to infinity. Half take outside, and then log of s square plus 9 s square plus 49 s to infinity, and then by shortcut formula here degree of numerator same hai, that's why only here possible just remove the limit and write s square plus 49 divided by s square plus 9 Laplace of this, and at finally you use shifting theorem. By first shifting theorem, effect of here cosine 5t sin 2t divided by t and e raised to minus t, to take plus t. So replace whenever you get s minus 1 whole square plus 49 s minus 1 whole square plus 9. By this way we are solving the Laplace transformation using the effect of 1 by t. Effect of 1 by t is integration s to infinity. Now example number 4, Laplace of, so here divide t theorem into e raised to at, then only theorem, but this is not into e raised to at. Between 2e minus या plus I, then don't consider shifting. Go for formula. Laplace of e raised to at or bt. Laplace of e raised to at, Laplace of e raised to bt. Addition rule, 1 by s, at a और इंस्टेड ऑफ ए बी, प्लस ए तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस, तो यार प्लस भी है तो माइनस. दिस इज लैप्लास. नाउ बाय इफेक्ट ऑफ 1 बाय टी इंटीग्रल एस टू इंफिनिटी, यार एस माइनस ए एस माइनस बी डी एस. हियर e raised to at, e raised to bt. This a or b may be plus minus number. By formula integration of f dash s by f of s ds log f of s. Here derivative of denominator is 1 and hence applicable this formula. Log s minus a log s minus b s to infinity. By formula log m minus log n log m by n log s minus a s minus b s to infinity log of s minus b s minus a. This is required answer. Now what is the change here? Instead of a take 0, तो e raised to 0 1 Laplace 1 by s का आंसर log s, and instead of b here 2, तो replace a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2 in this example. Okay, so that's why this also homework. Here a is 0, b is 2. Same example, replace a 0 or b is 2, then you'll get answer of this example. Okay, so here 3 homework and 3 example we have done. But for this middle sign must be important, negative. If middle plus between 2 cos, then problem invalid become, and plus sign where you will get in cos square middle plus, in cos cube middle plus, and cos a cos b middle plus. That's why cos square cos cube 1 by t and cos a cos b 1 by t. This example invalid in Laplace transformation.